So normal people usually rest and have their pastime watching TV, playing on the phone, video games or whatever. My pastime the last 2 days has been thinking, breathing and testing ChatGPT. And I had a discussion about that today, and I've been looking into this world very, very intensively over the past 3-4 days. And people think, first of all, people are afraid that AI is going to destroy the world, take our jobs, and robots will win over. But the way I see it now, and it is very, very clear to me, and this is the message I want to pass to any of you that will watch this video, is that AI gives you the opportunity to train, if you know how to train, a very loyal employee, the same way you would train an employee that never needs rest, never needs a raise, benefits, will always be loyal, and will always improve. Now you will say, Yanis, this is exactly what you're saying. Like, you don't need an employee anymore. You need an AI. So how does this not take away the jobs from people? This, in my opinion, AI levels the playing field. What do I mean? As a small business owner, for me to be able to accomplish what I want, I need one personal assistant and 5 to 10 employees to actually deploy all my projects, move things synchronously, and everything works exactly as I envision it, right? I cannot afford it though, meaning that my growth will have to be painfully to my ambition slow, and it will involve an iteration that is slow, so I will learn slowly, and then this means that instead of growing in 1 year that I would like to grow in a certain level, I will grow in 5 or 7 or 10. Is this wrong? Is this bad? No, it's not, and I'm prepared to do that. But I feel there is a unique opportunity to use AI to my benefit and not use it the same way that people use it as a prompt that does this little thing here, another prompt that does this little other thing there, but to create models that I train them, one as my copywriter, one as my personal assistant, one as my researcher, one as a copywriter for specific things, one as somebody that will give me opinions based on some things that I want. For example, you can take a blog and you can take a second blog, the URLs, and ask why the one blog is ranking better than the second blog. The same way you can go with a landing page, with UI UX design, with coding, with whatever you want. So what I mean is since I don't have the money or the ability to hire 10 people and have an enterprise, and I don't think it's in my vision too anyway, that's a totally different discussion, I have the opportunity to train 10 different models as if they were employees of mine that I will be able to operate and take the results I can. Now, will you tell me, Yanis, again, you are saying something that if you have these 10 models that replace the 10 employees, how does not AI take our jobs? I'm a software engineer, so I'm very, very techy, inside technology all the time since I remember myself, like since 25 years ago at least. And I believe, being an extrovert, that nothing replaces a good employee and a good person in terms of the social benefits, in terms of the interaction, in terms of the actual learning that happens when you have this casual discussion over coffee or whatever. Having said that, a very good copywriter now needs to be a very good ChatGPT operator for them, or AI operator if you like, for them to be to have better feedback, better input, better output, and better performance. So yes, when I grow the way I want, faster than I would be able to do before AI was actually here to help us, I want to hire a person in each position, probably, but then I need to teach them how to take their own expertise, use AI, and multiply their expertise times 10, because they will be more effective, more valuable, and in all honesty, there is no reason to fight what's coming. The only need we need is to adapt, use technology to our benefit so we can grow faster. So again, and I will close it here, please do not think about AI as something that it is going to harm us, but think about it as something that can be the best assistant for growth, no matter what we do, no matter the profession, and no matter the growth we want to have. It is a trusted person that we can train our way, because again, the model is there, but the way I will prompt and the input I will give for me to train my assistant, to train my model, my ChatGPT model, it will be totally different than the way you do it, even if we do the same profession, in the same niche, in the same country, we're the same age and everything else. Just because we're different, the trainer is different, so the model will be trained differently. If you think that this is something that scares you, I implore you, please don't. If you find it interesting, now I'm in the quest of doing as much automation in the back end for me to be able to match my intention in the front end in terms of production of work and content and value to my audience. And I will keep you posted in every step I take, because this part of my journey, it is very exciting from the point that I can create a very, very useful set of tools for me, and it could be eventually monetizable in the future if people think that it is valuable and they can get something from it. And this is it, Saturday evening. Now it is really time to relax, or maybe open the laptop and play a little bit with ChatGPT and refine some prompts. I don't know. I will see you tomorrow though. Bye bye.